So in the movie Now You See Me Too, there's this really cool scene where the four horsemen steal a computer chip, right? But they're hiding it inside of an actual playing card like this one, and start throwing it around and they hide it. And there's this really cool scene where Jack Wilder, where Dave Franco, he palms it like this, and then the security guard tells them to turn their palms facing them, and then while he does that, he quickly transfers into a back palm. And I want to teach you guys how to do that. I just thought that was really cool. So here's how you start a back palm. First, you're gonna get into this position where the card is on the upper parts of your fingertips. Okay. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on primarily with your thumb, middle finger, and ring finger, and then your second finger and your pinky kind of just, don't really do anything. They come off. Okay. Now, as you're coming off, you're gonna curl your middle finger and your ring finger in. Your thumb doesn't move. That's the important part. So as you're curling, the card should move as you're curling, and now it should be flat against the first knuckle of both fingers. You can see that. All right. So start off with this. You curl. That's flat against your knuckles. And now this is where the two fingers that are free come in. You're gonna grip the edge of the card, the lower edges of the card. And now this bending action is what helps it stay in place and hides behind your hand. So again, curl, and your second and pinky come over. And as you're bending, your middle finger and your ring finger push out. So, curl in, and push out while you're bending with the outer fingers. So it should look like this. However, you're probably going to want to get your second finger and your pinky all the way to the very lowest corner, so you don't flash or have any windows. And also, while you're performing this trick, to make a card disappear, you might want to shake it when you're making it disappear so that they don't see tiny little specks of white, because it's going to happen. It's not, this sleight of the hand isn't perfect. So what you want to do is just get as close as possible to the far corners, bend, and shake a little. Of course,